Welcome to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, your go-to shop for OnePlus smartphone repairs in Australia. Today, we'll talk about OnePlus 8T and some of most commonly asked question on replacing its broken screen. Let's go! Why is there a green line on my OnePlus 8T? A green line on your OnePlus 8T screen may indicate a hardware issue with the display panel. This can happen due to physical damage, water exposure, or manufacturing defects. To troubleshoot this problem, you can try the following steps. Restart your phone and check if the green line persists. Update your phone to the latest software version and check if the issue is resolved. Perform a factory reset on your phone and see if the green line disappears. Note that this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up your files before doing this. Contact OnePlus customer support and request a repair or replacement for your phone. You may need to provide proof of purchase and warranty information. We hope this helps you fix the green line on your OnePlus 8T screen. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us again. Why my OnePlus 8T battery is draining fast? There are several possible reasons why your OnePlus 8T battery is draining fast. Some of the common causes are: you have many apps running in the background that consume battery power even when you are not using them. You can check which apps are draining your battery by going to Settings, Battery Usage. You can also use the battery optimization feature to limit the background activity of some apps. You have a high screen brightness or a long screen timeout setting that keeps your display on for longer than necessary. You can adjust these settings by going to Settings, Display, Brightness Level and Sleep. You can also enable the adaptive brightness feature to automatically adjust the screen brightness according to the ambient light. You have a poor network signal or a weak Wi-Fi connection that forces your phone to constantly search for a better signal. This can drain your battery quickly. You can try switching to a different network mode or turning off Wi-Fi when you are not using it. You can also enable the airplane mode when you are in an area with no signal or Wi-Fi. You have Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, or other wireless features turned on that you are not using. These features can also consume battery power when they are active. You can turn them off by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the icons in the Quick Settings panel. You have an outdated software version or a faulty app that causes your phone to malfunction or crash. This can also affect your battery performance. You can check for software updates by going to Settings, System Updates. You can also uninstall or update any apps that are causing problems by going to Settings, Apps and Notifications greater than See All Apps.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 8T with a damaged display, and this one is a colorful one. You can see streaks of color on the side. So this OnePlus 8T will need a new display. As you can see here, the display has some pink and green lines on the left side, and that's gonna propagate and gets worse over time. So we will have to take action as early as possible to make sure this smartphone will be usable without any disruptions on the front display. So we're gonna open it by removing the back cover first and remove all the screws that's holding onto the cover for the main board and the daughter board. I think we're gonna focus on the daughter board first because the connector for the display is located here. And I was right. You can see on the corner there, that's the connector for the display. And we will test it, turn it on, and voila, it's working. So we'll see if the smartphone will boot up with this new display. It's gonna take some time, but we're here. So you can see without the lines, you can see everything, and you can use the smartphone without any issues day to day. So we're gonna put that to the side for now and remove the problematic display. We're gonna slice through the adhesive as well. And this is the first time the smartphone has been repaired. You can see the display is still very intact. And factory adhesives are very, very strong. So we need to take our time and patience and a lot of isopropyl alcohol to remove the adhesive from the display. Will also involve a lot of slicing through, like this one. So we'll be very careful when doing this. Another douse of alcohol. Slice through the adhesive. We're not gonna force anything on this repair session. Here we have the original adhesive. We're gonna reuse that and just put our fresh liquid glue on top of some adhesive that are not really functioning. We're gonna align it, push the cable to the slot on the housing, and then press the display in, and it's on. We're gonna let it dry for now, and meanwhile we're gonna put back the daughter board, all the screws, and close up the device, and we're done. So if you have a OnePlus 8T that needs a new display, if you are annoyed by white lines or bleeding on your display after you dropped it on the floor, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre and we'll fix it for you. We're gonna give you a brand new screen and brand new life for your broken smartphone. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.